Angels, this is Miss Trixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading, the weekly pick a card reading. What is coming next in your love life, your career, your studies, education, friends? This is a chance reading, yes, friends. So, friends, before we begin, do subscribe, like, and share our channel if you haven't already subscribed, friends. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, friends. This is a general reading. It may resonate with you or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind, friends. Also, this is for this week, for the 24th of May to the 31st of May. So, friends, a lot is happening this week. So we'll look into that in detail with all the three piles. So friends, do subscribe, like, and share, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. So let's take a deep breath and relax and choose. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1. This beautiful, cute kid which is sweeping. Pile 2, this another cute kid which is wake up. Pile 3, this beautiful reading. Take your time, relax, and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there. Also, you can choose more than one pile if you feel drawn towards that, friends. There is nothing wrong in choosing more piles. And don't forget, it is the charms reading. I will be pulling the charms for this week for every pile. Let's see. For those who chose option number 1, let us see how this week will be. What's coming next in your love life, your career, education, sweeping. Wow, this is a powerful card, friends. This is like you cleaning your life and bringing new energies. This is beautiful. I like that it is green and it has red shoes. It is about passion this week, and this week is also about success for you, I feel. So a great week for sure. Let's see, we'll see more. The romance angels, we're gonna look at the end. This is your advice card. Let's see your cards. 9 of Pentacles, brilliant. 6 of Swords. I don't think so you can see the cards. Now you can probably, hopefully. Oopsie. So the 5 of Swords, okay, Wands actually, and the King of Pentacles, wonderful. There is the 4 of Swords, the Garden and the Gate, and the Door to Value. Lovely. This is very interesting, friends. Very, very interesting. I feel, this week is very important for you, friends, because I feel, there is some conflict happening this week, or already there is in your life some conflict going on, because we have the 5 of Wands here. So something is, there is some sort of a conflict happening either right now or in the past, or maybe this week it will happen, because this week is very communications are going to be very high. We have a new moon in Gemini, and we also have on the 22nd, which is like very soon, on the 22nd there is a new moon in Gemini. Then there is also Mercury going in Cancer on the 28th of May, and we are already having a lot of planets in retrograde. So the energy is quite interesting. You want to talk, and there is like not enough, there is conflict because there is too much communication happening, or a lack of communication happening. I feel for some of you in your love life, there is a conflict or fight going on with one person or someone in your love life or your family. I also feel there are recently you have ended a relationship, or you have come out of it, like you have moved on from a partnership, or a relationship which you were fighting for, and now you have realized that it is better to lay down the sword and not just waste your time on that relationship. For some of you, for others, I feel you might face this conflict this week in your relationships or your family, love life, your marriage. But I feel there will be healing happening. You will be moving out of difficulties and difficult situations in your love life and your partnerships, friends. It is absolutely going to happen. I feel you're waiting for something, friends. Some of you are waiting for some of you have you are I think you're confused, some of you, whether to leave a partner or not to leave a partnership, or if you have moved on from a partner, was that the right decision? You are confused. Some of you are confused. I think it was the right decision for you, or it is the right decision to move on for now, for the time being, from a partnership, because you have the door to value. So something beautiful is ahead of you, and it might not be here in this week, or it might not be here like you know I feel like there is a lot of conflict with people, and you have decided to move away from them and focus on yourself, resting, focusing on your goals, taking a time out, not fighting, not talking. Some of you, I feel some of you, 50% of you have moved on from a partnership or a partner, or will be moving on. For others, I feel those who are single, you are like not willing to go in a partnership. You are like waiting, you are looking at opportunities, and you are not really in the mood for love this week, or maybe forming a partnership because you had been hurt. I feel someone has put you in a third party situation, so you are now slightly resistant of love or something, and you don't want to socialize, even though Mercury is going into Cancer and there is a Gemini new moon. But still, all of these changes are bringing a lot of communications, but you will still be waiting and watching. Number 3 is also about you taking your time out and being careful in what you communicate, I feel. For some of you, for others of you, I feel there is a person who is a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, who is important to you, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person is important to you, and I feel they could be messaging you, or there is some fight going on with this person, but they could message you, or you may be waiting for their message or reply from this person, or this situation to move ahead in your life, this relationship to pick up pace. I feel this person will message you or will try to contact you, but I feel there is a chance of conflict happening, so you need to stay careful. I also feel that there will be a healing happening, and resolutions or end of conflict will happen, especially if you take the help of your elders, or you take time. Don't reply on the go this week. Like, don't reply on the go. If you are too quick to reply, things can be difficult in your relationship. Money wise, I feel this is a very, very good week for you, friends. This is a great week for money wise for you. You have the 9 of Pentacles, so great money is coming, or you are realizing new skills, new talents within you, or something new you are discovering within yourself. Some of you could be starting, if some of you could be starting a new business or something, or you have a business idea, or someone will come and offer you a business idea, so it is going to bring you money. I also feel some of you are already who are already doing a business, they are going to find their money returning back, their money coming towards them. That is what I feel. And for others, I feel new ideas are coming, friends. You may doubt whether to act on those new ideas, but I think you should, because they are heaven sent, those new ideas you have. I feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person can help you at your work also, like someone who is elder than you, more mature, your father, your husband, or maybe your wife, or someone elder like your boss, or someone can help you at your work, and they can give you good guidance this week. I also so accept help, friends, accept help. I feel you really want to do away all this conflict. You are done with conflict, you are done with suffering, you want to end it, you want to move ahead, you want peace, and that is exactly what you are going to have. Number 30, 31 are important for you. I feel some of you, someone in your family could be getting pregnant, or someone is expecting a childbirth. That will be, or if you are asking for that, this is a lucky time for you. I also feel if you are married, don't try to fight things, because the energy of Gemini new moon is very high and it can result into conflict. So take your time out and don't try to um, you know keep fighting or arguing, especially if someone is not listening or open to your ideas. Focus on yourself, friends, focus on yourself this week. I also feel like in your education, wow, you are really waiting for some, like, exam date to come, or something like some sort of, like money to come in. If, especially if you are a student, you may be waiting for like your father and mother to fund your education, or if you are going for higher education, you may be waiting for a sponsorship, or some sort of money you are waiting, especially for your education. I feel it will happen. You are going to find the support, friends, this week. You don't need to worry about it. Not just money, but good ideas and new doors are opening. Opportunities are coming for you this week. But take it slow, friends, take it slow, because the energy of you want to remove all these fights, you want to remove all these obstacles, but you are already on the right path. So take it easy, friends. The garden and the gate, some of you could already be moving away from negative people, toxic people, but you are doubting whether it was the right thing to do or not. I feel yes, it was the right thing. Don't doubt yourself. Some of you, I feel, could also be working from home and like questioning, something is like your family is interfering with your work from home, something is going on, so that you need to tell people and ask for their help, like please give me some space, or something like that. But it is a good week, definitely. Let me see what is this conflict about. We'll check with the charms also, but why is this conflict? What is this conflict about? For pile number one, what is this conflict about? See, deceit in reversed. You definitely are not in the mood to trust someone this week, or someone from your past, or someone you are married with, or an ex-husband or wife, even people at your work. You are not willing to trust those people, and you also feel like, money is not coming in, it's going out. Number 25 could also be important. I feel, you have removed this energy. That is why you chose this card sweeping. It is time to release this doubt. It is time to release negative people. It is also time for you to focus on yourself, friends. Focus on yourself. You have the value. Others do. If someone is putting you down, especially friends or family or at colleagues, focus on yourself, friends. You have the power to change your life. You have the power. So focus on it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry too much about what other people are telling you or something like that. Focus on yourself. And what else? What is what are pile one waiting for this week? What is the news they are waiting for? What are they waiting for? Wow, door to healing and happiness, and man holding a heart and adjacent possibilities. So definitely some of you are waiting for romance or message, or a breakthrough in a relationship with someone. If you are single, you are waiting for the love of your life to happen or manifest in your life. Maybe you thought you met someone and you thought that person was the love of your life, but it didn't work out. So keep your mind open, friends. Keep your mind open, and new possibilities are coming for you, door to personal healing and happiness. So yes, new things are going to begin for you, new doors, new people are coming, what you desire is going to happen for you. Let's see your advice card. Release number 13. So see, there is number 13, there is number 31. Mirroring is going on here, friends. It is time to release something. It is time to release negative thoughts, negative fears, self-doubt, people who are putting you down. Who are those people? Some of you are trying to tell me that don't do English readings. I'm sorry, friends. I post a lot of readings every day in both languages. Please do support, friends. It is more work for me. It is not easy for me, but I think you should release that negativity and bring in the positivity, friends. Bring in. We must not be selfish. We must be kind, and that is how we grow and expand. So yeah, it is time to release something, friends. It is time to release some negativity, and some people, some relationships are pulling you down. Release them. And some fears. Let's see your romance angels messages. Attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this movement fully. So definitely, friends, this is the week where you should focus on yourself, your life, your goals, your career, and what you want in love. Do not focus on what others are telling you. Focus on yourself and make sure, look how this person's eyes are on the heaven. So focus on God, focus on the higher purpose of everything. And let's see your chance for this week, friends. Let's see. I'm super excited for pile number one, how this week will be. I feel this is a slow week, but it's kind of like a fast and a slow week for you. It's not like a fully slow week. Oh wow, you have so many charms. Oh my god, it's unbelievable. So you have D. Let me just turn them upright first. Then I'm gonna start. You have the D, S, X, L, O. There is P, there is E, and there is K. So poke. So someone could be, I think it is time to make some new friends in your life. You know, it is time to make some new friends and release an ex. Someone from your past may try to message you, but it is time to make some new friends, poke them, get to know some people. What else can you make? Some words? Can you make any words from this? Pole. I think your pole is like you are standing in your own way this week, friends. You know, by doubting yourself, second guessing yourself, don't do that, friends. Know that you are powerful, know that. What else? Sold. Wow. If you are a businessman and you are worried about money, or if you are a career person, job, something, money is coming your way, friends. Sold. Something is, money is coming your way, and definitely things will be sold and bought together. So please don't worry about it. And you can make out other words from it. I don't know if you can make any words. I think you can. You can make some names out of it also. So number 19, number 23, and number 15. So number 19, 23, and 15 might be important for you, friends. And oh my god, you have the feminine, divine feminine charm. See? And that is so powerful. Maybe you are in a twin flame relationship, which is causing you trouble, which is making you doubt yourself, or it is triggering you. Don't do that, friends. Focus on yourself. Stay receptive. Stay in your feminine energy. You also have the owl. You know what you need to do, friends. You don't need to worry about it. You have the Ganesha, Lord Ganesha. So money and success is coming, and worries will end. Trust, friends. Trust. Let us see. You also have the King of Coins, and we have the King of Pentacles here. So yes, that's perfect synchronicity. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you, friends. Or you could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Neptune is important for you. Neptune is about things which are hidden. That is fears, things you cannot know. Also deceit, there was this card of deceit. So Neptune could mean that someone working behind your back, or something is not clear, some people are toxic for you right now, and you need to maintain some space from that. Lion, be bold, friends, be bold. You also have the twin flame. See, infinity symbol. Definitely a twin flame connection is important this week for you, friends. You also have the star, wishes coming true. So your wishes are coming true. Don't worry about it. October is important for some of you. So whatever you want now may manifest in October. Stay strong. Don't give up. Five of Wands, Five of Wands. This is crazy, friends. I pulled the charms in front of you and the cards were ahead only. Oh my god, Five of Wands, same charms are here. So that is, this is healing, friends. This conflict is healing in your life. You also have Eight of Coins and you have the Nine of Pentacles in this card here. So money is coming your way. Your hard work will be rewarded. Dear is again like this feminine charm. Stay in your feminine energy. You are more sensitive this week, I feel, friends. You're very sensitive to energies around you, so try and maintain some distance or boundaries. You also have the wedding ring, so marriage or commitment will happen, or if you are facing issues in your marriage, you can expect some help and relief in it. And I feel some of you are in distance with your husband or wife or a committed partner. You may hear or see them this week, or the news, you are waiting to see them, like, oh, when will I meet this person? It will happen soon, maybe in October, or maybe sooner than that. You also have strawberry. So life is like sweet and sour. Focus on the sweetness. Hello, I'm yours. Oh my god, I think you are going to meet a new person, friends, or someone from your past, because we do have the X here. So someone from your past could message you like, hello, I'm yours. Ooh, baby. So friends, that's a very interesting reading for this week. Please do subscribe, like and share our channel, Magic Vans Tarot. Let me know if this reading resonated with you, friends. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So for those who chose option number 2, let's see how this week will be for you. For those who chose option number 2, the Wake Up, beautiful. This card is beautiful, friends. I feel like this is an energetic week for you, or you feel ready, you feel accomplished and adventurous this week. It is quite a nice thing, and like new wake up. It's like a wake up call this week for you. Romance angels, we're gonna look at the end. We're gonna look at the charms also. And here is the advice for you for this week. Let's see your cards. Wheel of Fortune. Definitely wake up. The alarm bells are ringing. Your fortune is changing. Good things are coming. The Page of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The Seven of Cups. The Nine of Wands. The Three of Pentacles. The Justice. Friends, you are in very strong, very, very positive energy this week. And Door to Spirit number 32. Wow, friends, this is incredible. This week I feel you will face some confusion. I'm sorry to say, but there are options or confusions, and maybe in your life, or you feel like you don't know how things will be in your future, so you are a little confused where life is going, where you are going with the world situation. You may be feeling a little confused, like you don't know which way to go, circles, circles, circles. You either feel you have no choice this week, or you will feel like you don't know exactly what you need to do, or where things are heading. Like you can't see the path ahead. You have started, but you can't see where you are landing. So I feel, friends, this week some sort of confusions will clear for you. And I see you had been working very hard, so you want to know where the things are taking you. Like you have reached this stage of 9, so you want to know what is on the next stage, like the 10th stage, what will happen. You have worked hard, you have maintained your patience, and you had done your hard work. You have even hurted yourself and picked yourself up, but you were not giving up. So you want to know what will happen. There is some confusion regarding your love life, your relationships, and career also, I feel. But definitely in your love life, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important, friends. Or you could be these sun signs. Which signs? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Friends, I feel, this week justice is going to happen in your relationships. You have worked, friends. You have tried to help someone, you have tried to be there for others, you had been giving to people, but things were not going your way, and you felt restricted. You felt like nobody understood you. But now your time is here, friends. In love, definitely. In partnerships, definitely your time is here. In friendships, yes. I feel someone has done you wrong. Someone has put you in a confusion, someone has put you in third party, or someone left you, or someone was confused about you. I feel someone in your life is going to have a wake up call about you, friends, and it is going to be like, it is going to be huge, like God shaking their life and like, oops. Some justice is happening, friends. Some justice is going to happen. So, a lover, an ex lover, or a friend, or a family member, or a husband or a wife, or an ex husband or wife, someone in your life has hurted you and they have not realized it yet. But this week they are going to realize it, and it's gonna be like a wake up call for them. And I feel they could come towards you and ask for forgiveness, and they may want to work with you or want to make things better. I feel this person and you wanted to get married and you couldn't because they chose someone else. They may apologize or something. I also feel if this is a single person, you both are single right now, this person will try to come and patch things, make up things with you. You could be colleagues or you could be co-workers also, but this is a love connection for sure. Justice is coming your way, friends. If you are going through a divorce or something like that, you can expect justice in this connection or in that relationship also. Things are turning in your favor, friends. I also feel some of you could be attracting, if you are single, or some of you are going to attract a new lover. It could be a friend or someone you work with. I feel there will be like someone you work with, and you will maybe this is a new person, but they have feelings for you, and you may be confused about them, but they are sure about you, and this is a positive connection for you, friends. Someone new is coming. It could start as a friendship. It will start as a friendship, but it will lead to great positive changes. I see this snake which is moving very, very quickly ahead. So, this is a fast week for you. Messages are coming in, choices are opening up, positive news is coming in, and life is moving ahead for you, friends. Clarity is coming. I feel that's what you need, clarity. I feel in your work and career things had been slow. Some of you are trying to understand you should you change a job or should you stay in it? Should you change your field or should you stay in it? There is a lot of confusion regarding your career, like which direction you need to go. I think that will clear up for you this week, or some sort of an information will come which will clear this confusion, this doubt in your mind regarding your life path, your career, your future ahead. I also feel some of you were denied money maybe you were at work but they didn't paid you. That money is coming, friends, that money is coming. I also feel there is some money which is coming from inheritance, or some sudden money, like you have bought a lottery and you got it, you win it, something like that will happen, because luck is with you, friends, luck is with you. And I feel in this week you should try and work with people and cooperate, because that will bring you forward in career. You should not try to do things alone. You have a lot of support this week, friends, so go for it. And in education, I feel you are working very hard, and as a student you may feel like very tired. I feel you are not sleeping. If you are a student, you are not sleeping well. Some of you are binge watching. I know, friends, I know. See, you have too many choices to binge watch on. I hope you are binge watching my channel, our channel, or our lovely channel. I hope you are binge watching it. Okay, just kidding, friends, just kidding. I feel so, if you are a student, or if you are in education or something, there are choices, friends. You are confused about something and you are worried. And some of you are not sleeping well, some of you are trying to study or finish your course at night, and you are feeling like, the current world situation has just destroyed your education system. I feel, but there is help around you, friends. There could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person who can help you. Ask and you will receive their support, friends. Some of you, I feel like, want to go abroad for higher education or something, or some exam is coming, you are waiting what will happen. I feel it, you will have a positive result there, definitely. But I would say don't stay confused, get some rest also, and keep working hard. Let me see what is this Nine of Wands about. Let me see what is the Nine of Wands about for pile number 2. Okay, happy family. See, I feel some of you are not able to study or work, focus on your work because of family issues, or because you are with family, or you are missing your family, so you are unable to focus on your work or your career. I also feel that some of you are feeling like this happy family goal or dream is very far away from you. You don't know how. If you are single, you may feel like, how do I achieve this goal? How do I have a happy family? If you're really single, this is what you want. You want a happy family. You want stability. You want security. You want people to love you and support you. I feel, friends, supportive people are coming your way. You need to trust. You need to trust. People have not supported you till now. Things have been unfair for you, but justice will happen. You will, the patience you have shown, it will be rewarded, friends. That's for sure. And clarity is coming. Angels, why the Seven of Cups? What is the confusion about? What are the pile number 2 confused about this week? What is their confusion? Wow, victory. So definitely, friends, you are worried whether you will be successful or not, whether you will get that love, that dream job, or that dream car, or whatever you want. You are doubting yourself. You are feeling like, will it happen? Because it hasn't happened yet. It will happen, friends. You have the number 28, the victory card. You also have the door to spirit. So again, a victory card is here, and both are very spiritual. So definitely, friends, you're spiritual. See things spiritually. You are growing. You are growing spiritually. Definitely, and messages of peace and hope are coming for you, friends. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Let's see your advice card. Share the love. Definitely, I feel someone new is coming in your life who has a lot of love for you. Again, there is number 3. So talk to people this week, friends. Share your ideas and, cooperate with others. That is the mantra for this week for you. Talk to people, cooperate, don't doubt them, or like don't judge them. Keep a happy friendship vibe, share the love. And someone has kept their feelings secret to you. Someone has deep feelings for you. I feel they are going to share their love. Someone was confused about you in the past. they are going to make a move towards you and share their love. Let's see your romance angels. Again, conversations, heart to heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. I feel, friends, this is a time of, conversing, sharing your knowledge, and talking with people, because it is the new moon in Gemini, and the sun is also in Gemini. So, this is a time, I feel some of you are Geminis, you have your birthdays. So, if your birthday is this week, you could expect a great year ahead, definitely, friends. Even if it's not your birthday, justice is going to happen. Let's see your charms, friends. Let's see your charms. For pile number 2, what is going to happen this week, friends, for pile number 2? Okay. Okay, I dropped some charm, I think. No. Wow. Letters are T, there is E. If we had A, T was important, but we also have the teacup and the teapot. So definitely T is important, friends. Or socializing is important. Getting in touch with friends and family is important for you. Number 4 is important. And we also had 4 card. Where is it? Happy family. That is what you want, friends. Stability, security, clarity, happiness, love and support. And see, number 4, it is coming your way, friends. You may see a lot of 444 this week. Number 37 is also important. That is a 10, a 1. So that is also about the wheel of fortune. So that will happen. I'm keeping these a little here, these beads, because they will keep on. Wow, there is this pin. I haven't seen this charm often in a long time. I haven't seen this. Someone is very attached to you, friends, and that person is going to come towards you. You are also very attached to a goal, maybe marriage, maybe a relationship or a career or a promotion that is coming, friends, or will happen for you. You also have this trumpet, this loudspeaker. So definitely messages are coming, and I feel you need to speak and share, talk, communicate, have heart to heart conversations. Yay. Wow, you have the locked heart. So someone has not shared their feelings, friends. Someone or something is not yet known to you, but it will reveal itself this week. So this is a very interesting week, friends. We also have the dreams charm. So your dreams are coming true. You may feel like luck is not with you. Your dreams won't come true. Your dreams are locked, but no, friends, this is your time. Your time. Good luck begins from now. You have the ladybug, so definitely see, you have the wheel, the ladybug, which is also about luck and good luck, twins. So definitely you could be Gemini, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could also be dealing with a twin flame or meeting your twin flame partner. I also feel you could be getting twins if you want, or if you are looking for pregnancy or something. 9 of coins, so money is coming your way, friends. Definitely Prince of coins, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus could also be important, or you could be friends with this person. Red is also important, it's your lucky color this week. 1 of air, so breakthroughs, news is coming, friends. Important messages are coming. You also have this mini dragonfly charm. Look at this, it is so cute, this dragonfly. Happy changes, friends, happy changes are coming, and someone may ask you out for a coffee date or something, or just stay light and positive, build your friendships this week. You also have 2 leaves here. So something, someone is going to offer you something. Some things are secret, they will be revealed. You also have this leaf, which is the clover leaf, which is silver. So luck is definitely coming, friends. And you also have drum beats, 2 drum beats. I feel news is coming your way, friends. News is coming. You also have this bead, which is the sun card. So you have the wheel of fortune, the justice, and the sun. So yes, it's a great week. You also have this orange bead, which is about passion. So someone is very passionate, or you are very passionate about a goal or a person, or you may meet a new connection which is very passionate. And this is the purple bead. I feel this is a spiritual week for you, friends. It is time to see this week spiritually, because you have the door to spirit. see things spiritually. And you also have the heart card, the chart of a doctor. So I feel, if you are having health issues, expect a relief and a recovery there. I also feel you could be dating or dealing with a physician, a nurse, a Reiki person, or someone who is very spiritual. Especially if you are a man, you could be dealing with a woman who is a cardiologist or a doctor or a nurse or a therapist or a fitness person, someone or a spiritual person. That's it for now, friends. I wish you a very happy week. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, friends. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you, friends. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot, friends. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. It's an exciting week for you, and lots of June readings are coming. I have already started the June reading, so check out that. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So for those who chose option number 3, let's see reading. For those who chose option number 3, let's see how this week will be for you. Wow, reading. I feel you are acquiring knowledge. This is the week where you are acquiring a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom, and you look happy, you look so cute. Look at it. Wow. This is a sweet card. And your romance angels messages, we're gonna look at the end. Your advice cards, you have 2. We have the charms also, friends. Here they are. 2 of Wands. Ace of Wands. Brilliant. No wonder you are reading, friends. No wonder you chose option number 3. Ace of Wands, 2 of Wands, 3 of Wands. Wow, 1, 2 and 3 Wands are already here. Queen of Wands. And the 9 of Swords. And caring connections. This is beautiful, friends. This is beautiful. I feel this is the week of progress for you. Something is going to progress and move ahead. Something is going to start new for you. I feel some of you are dealing. Okay, let me say the overall theme for this week is like you are moving ahead. There will be a breakthrough. Something, if you are lacking passion in your life, your passions are going to be renewed, friends. I feel some of you are missing this passion in your life, or you feel there is no sense of purpose or no excitement in your love life or career. But that is going to change. That is going to change this week. Your passions are going to be ignited, and you are going to move forward in life, in your love life. Also, something is going to move forward. I feel some of you in love life, if you could be, dealing with a twin flame partnership or a very deep partnership, and that person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I feel you both could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, because there is so much passion here. So, and there is also the caring connection card. So definitely there is this energy of twin flame or an attraction, or a very very powerful sexual attraction going to happen, or a very powerful relationship is going to happen for you this week. If this is not happening this week, it will happen in the coming months, friends. Watch out, it is like brewing. There is 1, 2 and 3. All these cards are here. If you are single, you have worked so hard, friends. You have reached a position of power. You have worked very very hard, and you are shining bright this week. Everyone wants to know you, everyone wants to date you, and you are unstoppable because you have realized your worth. And a lot of people will try to win you this week, or will try to date you, message you on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, but I feel you know what you want. You are looking for an equal match, and that is what you are waiting for, and I feel you are going to get your equal match. Someone who is just like you and who is bold, who is passionate, especially if you are single. For others, you are dealing with a very strong partnership. It could be a twin flame, it could be a soulmate, and things are not going well in that connection, but this week some forward movement is expected. I feel you are waiting, or this person is waiting for you to shift your mood. I feel like you are not ready to cooperate with a partner. or a husband or a wife, it is a long distance relationship. You don't want to see their face. You are like, I'm done with you, go away. But I feel they want to come towards you and offer you something in this week, or they want to talk to you, message you, they want this new start with you. They can't live without you. They are having sleepless nights without you. I feel this person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I feel this person is going to realize you are the one for them and they are going to make a move towards you. I also feel if you are in a real marriage and you were waiting, I think even if you are married, you are not in communication with your husband or wife, or you are at a distance, like physically you are in different countries or cities, but that person is, something will going to happen. Passions are reignited, a new breakthrough. Let us say, like, I would say, like, you will find more attraction and passion for your husband or wife this week. So it is a good week for you in that way. And you may be worried about why is this marriage or this relationship so stuck, so boring, and why is this so. I also feel some of you are struggling to get a person out of your mind, but they are in your mind because of a reason. We'll look at the charm, so don't worry. But I feel you are struggling to forget a person or move ahead of them. But a breakthrough is going to happen, friends. Caring connection is here. So you are going to find support in love and a stable and happy relationship. Someone is going to offer you some love and support this week. And I feel you are also going to offer self love to yourself, like, yes, you are gonna love yourself. You are the king or the queen this week. You're gonna love your vibes. If we talk about career, you are unstoppable, friends. You are reading, you are gaining your knowledge, you are ready, you want to move ahead in the next stage of life, you want your promotion, you want that bigger job, you want that, higher education, you want to travel the world, you want to do something daring this week, something extraordinary. You don't want the usual things, you want extraordinary things this week. I feel you will feel very passionate this week regarding your career, your job, and it's very it's like you want to take things. Let me just clarify, let me just see. What is this ace of, what is this new start, in which area this new start is coming for pile 3? You're very passionate, you are unstoppable this week in your work, friends. If someone tries to tell you you can't do it, you are gonna do it, because have so much passion and power. God bless those who stand in your path this week. For pile number 3, what is this ace of wands? Where is this new beginning coming? See, all tied up. You definitely feel restricted. You definitely feel like things are not going your way. You don't have options. You are going to fly out of it. You are going to fly out of it like a bird flying out of a cage. I also feel some opportunity that you feel is not there for you right now, that will come towards you. You are going to find a sense of freedom. I feel some of you are struggling to find passion and freedom in your love life, career, education. That is what you are going to find. You are going to find that freedom, that passion, relief from worries, anxiety. Some of you could be having anxiety or depression, or someone in your life, your partner, ex-partner, lover, husband or wife, ex-husband or wife, someone is having anxiety. They could also be dealing with those issues and coming towards you with love. I feel some of you could be getting a gift this week, or you may gift someone something, or your own self. I feel some of you are going to gift yourself something like a dress or an outfit. What is this Nine of Wands about? This Nine of Swords about, angels. Okay. See, the goddess of the moon. So definitely something something is, you're worried about some things, and some things are not clear for you, some fears, some doubts. Also there is like this strong connection. If you are single, you are feeling your twin flame. You are feeling your twin flame and it's frustrating you. But friends, rest assured, you are going to find a breakthrough in that situation. Don't worry about it. If you are a student, I feel you should keep working because you are on the right path and success is coming your way. Some of you definitely want to travel or may decide to travel this week or may just want to explore your options in your career or education. Definitely, I feel some of you can also find, you know, like you have, like you never liked science or you liked science in your as a kid, but now you are going to rediscover it and feel a lot of love towards that goal, like science or maybe dancing for some of you. So you are going to fall in love with that. And if you are a student, I feel you should connect with your power this week. You should focus on your strength rather than your weaknesses. Focus on your strength, connect with that, be bold, read, gain some knowledge, gain some exposure. That is necessary. You have a lot of friends who can support you, a lot of teachers who can support you. You can watch our channel Magic Vents Tarot, it can also support you. So don't worry, you have a lot of support. Go for it, friends. This is your week to be bold, to take the first step and to love yourself. See, teach. Oh my god, number 5. So some of you could be changing your career and becoming teachers, helping kids or animals, or helping animals like welfare animals, welfare societies. Some of you could be doing that. And if you are a student, ask your teachers to help you because there is someone who can help you, or you can help your juniors and your seniors, you know. Lead. See, number 4, lead. Oh my god, you are a born leader and this is your week to step out and show the world who you are, friends. No longer hiding behind the scenes. I think some of you are not even, if you are married, I feel some of you are not sharing your honest opinions, something you are not telling, because we have the moon card. So you are not telling some truth, or someone you like, you might offend your husband or wife or a partner. So it is time to say the truth because it is going to make the relationship more passionate and sexy. So yeah, let's see your romance angels message. Soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate. Maybe some of you are worried why you can't forget a person, why you keep thinking about them even though you have moved out of them or away from them. Why they are why you and them are stuck on each other? Because they are your soulmate and there is something going on. A rebirth or a reunion is here. Let's see your charms so we can have more guidance for this week. I am super excited. For pile number 3, angels, what how this week will be for pile 3. Wow, you have see the twin flame charms, you know. This is the twin flame charm. So you have it, the male and female, you know, the black and white half charms. Wow, K, T, V, P. You have a lot of alphabets. Wow. So we have T. There is T, there is V, there is K, there is P, there is E, and there is J. These could be alphabets of your person or your alphabets. They might be important. This could also be the moon charm, that some situation is going in cycles and you are going to find a resolution, a breakthrough in that situation. Dreams and your dreams are important, friends. If you are not sleeping well, get some time to sleep well because messages are coming from your dreams. You know, someone is trying to contact you, even spirit is trying to contact you through your dreams. Songs are important. Sorry friends, someone, you could be dealing with a musician or someone who mixes music or produces music or is an artist or creative person. You could also be exploring your art and craft this week. These beads are coming a lot. This is the sun. See, you have the Queen of Wands, Ace of Wands, all fire energy, and you have the sun's energy. This is a very powerful week, friends. And look, you have the angel wing, which is also the golden one. We also have the silver one, but you got the golden one. Wow, friends, super blessed you are. And not just that, we have again the Lord Ganesha charm, the elephant charm. Keep your ears open, friends. Keep your ears open. Messages from spirit, messages from important messages are coming for you. Number 26 might be important for you, or 26th of this week is important. 10 of coins. Yes, friends, happiness and fulfillment is coming your way. July is important for you. May is also important for you. Giver, yes, you are a giver, friends. You have given a lot, and this is your time to receive back from people and places. Knight of coins, Cancer, Capricorn, Virgo, Pisces. I don't know why I said Cancer, Scorpio. Maybe you are dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, or you yourself are Cancer, Scorpio. I feel you could also be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lover, so you have the giver and the lover. Wow, friends. So someone wants to give love to you, a lover or a friend. And oh my God, no wonder I said Cancer, Scorpio. Look at it. Prince of Cups. Oh my God, friends. Oh my God, goosebumps. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is also important for you. You. Look at this. Can you see? The Prince of Cups. I don't know if you can see. The Prince of Cups, the Knight of Coins. Oh my God. And I said that when I was going to say about Capricorn. Lion. Friends, you are going to have a lot of choice this week, especially if you are single. You will attract a lot of suitors or lovers or friends. And I feel two people from your past, or maybe one person from your past is coming back, the other person is a new person, so you are spoilt this week. Let us see what good news will come, because you have this angel, the ace of wands also. What good news is going to have come for pile number 3? Wow, see, again you have the, oh my God, friends, oh my God, I have goosebumps. See, you have the another angel wings. Spirit is with you, friends. Letter A and N are important. Wow, NA. So maybe the name is like Annie or something. You have another, someone is coming, friends. Someone is coming to fulfill you. And look at this. It also forms a heart if you look at this here. It forms a heart, these wings. Oh my God. This is crazy. This is a very, and art is important. Go after, if you are an artist, friends, go after it. Don't forget, don't doubt yourself. You also have the music thing here, the mics, the microphone, not the microphone, the headphones. Past life, you have a past life connection coming up, friends. And something may have been going in cycles for you, but because it was a past life thing, it is ending now and a new beginning will happen. So what is ending? What is the new beginning about? It is the past life karma ending for you and good things coming into your life. And you also have two angel wings. Goodness gracious, friends, a very, very happy week for you. It cannot get better than this. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.